Why are scientists throwing thousands of pebbles into the ocean? It sounds strange, but it's all part of a groundbreaking effort to save our underwater forests. Just as deforestation is a major problem on land, it's also happening beneath the waves. Kelp forests, vital habitats for countless marine species, are disappearing at an alarming rate. But scientists are pioneering a solution, and it's called green graveling.
We've started this new green gravel project, which is looking at developing methods for restoration of kelp habitats in the UK. Using the green gravel method, we take fertile kelp material from healthy populations and then grow out tiny little juvenile kelps in the lab on small stones for about 2 or 3 months before we then basically throw them over the side of a boat, and they'll sink to the bottom of the seabed and form a restored kelp habitat in declined populations.
The process involves collecting kelp, extracting spores, and attaching them to small stones. These stones are then nurtured in the lab until the kelp juveniles are ready.
Part of the green gravel project, we need to get healthy, fertile kelp material, which isn't available year-round in natural populations. So one of the little side trials that I've been running is to take unfertile adult kelps and then induce them to fertility in the lab by basically tricking them into thinking that they've had a winter through cool water temperature and short daylight hours.
This innovative approach allows researchers at the Marine Biological Association and Newcastle University to restore kelp forests even when natural reproductive material is scarce. Once the kelp juveniles are ready, they are deployed in areas where kelp forests have declined. The stones sink to the seabed and the kelp grows, forming a new kelp forest.
So these are our different substrates for the green gravel project, and we'd like to develop a restoration method that would work in the UK with UK stones and UK kelp species. So we're also incorporating into that a circular economy element by attempting to use crushed scallops from the seafood industry, which would otherwise go to landfill.
Similar efforts are underway in Portugal, where Sea Forester is using green graveling to restore kelp forests along the coast. Their work has shown promising results, with kelp forests successfully re-established. Green graveling offers a glimmer of hope for the future of kelp forests. By restoring these vital ecosystems, we can help protect marine biodiversity, support coastal communities, and mitigate the impact of climate change. Thanks to the dedication of scientists and organizations like Sea Forester, these underwater wonderlands have a fighting chance.